Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 629, that is k inverse pairs array. And this for an integer array nums, an inverse pair is a pair of integers I comma j, where 0 is less than or equal to I and nums I will be greater than nums j. Okay, and we'll be given two integers n and k, and we have to return the number of different arrays consist of numbers from 1 to n such that they are exactly k inverse pairs. Okay, since the answer we have to return its modulo. Okay, so for example, in the first we'll be given n equal to 3 and k is equal to 0, so the output is only one, that we can only form one array that where nums only there 1 to 3, which is consists of number from 1 to 3 as exactly 0 k inverse pair, because our k is equal to 0, so we don't have to make anyone like nums I should be greater than nums j where I is less than j. But in the second example we are having n equal to 3 and k is equal to 1, so our output will be 2, because the array 1 3 2 and 2 1 3 have exactly one inverse pairs, like 3 2 in this case, and then 2 1 in this case. Okay, so basically these are called as Mahonian numbers. You can find its reference over here. I'll be putting the link in the description. You can go on this website and you can see that it is mentioned that this is the reconciliation. T n k is the number of permutations from 1 to n with k inversion. Okay, so you can take a reference from here, that how we'll be solving the question. And now let's start with the coding part, and let's have a dp array. And in this we are given the constraints as 1000 and 1000, so we'll be taking our integer array dp array of size 1001 and 1001. That will be equal to new int 1001 and 1001. Okay, so let's initialize that dp00 with 1. Okay, so let's run a for loop that for I int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, and then for int j equal to 0, j less than or equal to k, and j plus plus. Okay, so inside this we'll be running one more loop to count the inversion, that for int x equal to 0, then x will be less than or equal to the minimum of j and I minus 1, and we'll be incrementing the x. Okay, so in the dpij, okay, we also need to have the mod, so let's declare the mod variable mod equal to, let's type first into int 1e9 plus 7. Okay, so let's just put it in the, yeah. So now we'll be checking that if my j minus x is greater than 0, then what I'll be doing, I'll be updating the dp array. dpij will be equal to d, dpij plus dp I minus 1 and j minus x to count pick up the result from the previous calculation that we have made, and we'll be simply doing the mod of it. Okay, so this is how we have updated the dp array successfully. Now we'll be returning dpnk. Oh, so now let's run it. I guess it won't work because the slash was added. Yeah, now let's run it again. Okay, okay, it says wrong answer, the output came out to be 0. Okay, so 1001 mod 1e9 plus 7 dp001 I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, j equal to 0, j less than or equal to k, j plus plus, x equal to 0, and minimum of this if minus x is greater than, and dpij is equal to dpij plus dpi minus 1 and j minus x mod I. Okay, so let me k minus 1, I guess, here. Okay, so why it's giving an error? Okay, let me just minus 1. Okay, so let me just figure that out. Okay, so here at what wrote the condition wrong, that k minus x should be less greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so let's give it a try again. Oh, and here it should be n only. And now let's run it, and it gets accepted. So now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.